It looks a bit like burned foam rubber, but this new material was created using the world's lightest carbon material, aerogel. Nicknamed frozen smoke, researchers at UCF have infused the aerogel with carbon nanotubes so small that thousands fit on a single strand of human hair. The nanotubes give the material great potential for use in robotics.
For example, it is very sensitive to pressure because it is flexible, so we can use that as a pressure sensor. And if we put this pressure sensor onto robotic arms or the hand, they can sense the pressure, therefore they can control the power of the grab. All right, so they can either grab like a heavy objects or they can grab a potato chip without breaking them.
The nanotubes also have a larger surface area which could store energy and increase battery capacity. It also has potential as a sensor to screen for poisons entering our food or water supply, or even detect trace explosives. For UCF News, I'm Ed Highland.